Lovely day for drive, Mr. Fowler. Lovely day for drive.
If ever there's a day to try out our new wipers.
Tell me why you don't want a hood on your car?
Yeah, it's just a bit comfortable. It's all about the elements. Good. How long does that stay on for?
Well, probably a while. It's got a 30 gig memory card.
Can you edit it and that? Can you edit it?
Yeah, you can if you want to. I haven't learned how to drive it properly yet.
You haven't? Yeah, I can put it down, trying to drive.
Whose head's that in the mirror?
Trying to drive.
What?
Trying to bloody drive.
Second from it.
Huh?
Second here from it.
Yeah, well.
Tell you what, the upholstery feels good.
Yeah, I'm loving this here windscreen wiper. I've got to get some stuff on it.
Yeah.
I'll pull up here.
Yeah.
Cover. I know a spot.
Why?
Right? It's heavy rain, mate.
You got the cover up here, haven't you?
What?
You got the cover up here, haven't you?
Yeah. Believe me, I know all the spots from here to bloody Melbourne. Is that because the brakes are wet?
Yeah.
Never doing in the wet with wet brakes.